Hello, today we are going to walk through importing soil test data into SnapPlus V3. The first thing you're going to do is click on the Fields tab. Once you are in the Fields tab, you are then going to select the soil test page. When you arrive on the soil test page, you have two options for importing soil test data. You can enter data in by hand by using the plus new soil test button, or you can import soil tests via a CSV file or an Excel spreadsheet. First, let's enter in data by hand. I'm going to click on the plus new soil test button. I am then going to use the calendar feature to identify the date in which I pulled my samples. I'm going to enter in the lab name and the plow depth. Once I have entered in that data, the plus new soil sample button becomes available to click. Here I'm going to enter in the data associated with each sample. You can then continue to do that for each and every sample that you have. To enter in soil sample results in bulk, you can use the import soil test feature. Again, it is important to make sure you have a CSV file or an Excel spreadsheet to do so. If you do not, you can use this download soil test import template and create your own to then import into SnapPlus. Let's walk through how to import a file now. I'm going to use this select file paperclip button. I'm going to click that. I am then going to navigate and find my soil test results and click open. I now have all of my soil test data appearing on the screen. A couple important things to take note of is this new button, Show Errors at the top. If there are any errors that are found within your data set and you select that button, they will be pulled automatically up to the top of the screen. Additionally, I have a note here saying that I have created some new fields. That might be intentional and it might not be. It is very important to make sure that field names match exactly. In this example, in my database, I have a field name called number 1. But in my data here, my field name is field space 1. I would like to update that so that it is correct and not going to create a brand new field. I can do that by highlighting and entering in the correct data. It then will ask me, do I want to update all of my field space 1 fields to just the number 1? I'm going to say yes. The same thing for field 2. I would like that to be updated as well. But field 3 is actually a new field, so I'm going to leave that one alone. I am then going to click import. I now can see that it created a brand new field for me, and the associated soil test data is found here. That is how you import a soil test.